Hey guys, Gal Level here. If you plan on live streaming on any vertical platform such as TikTok Live or YouTube Vertical, and Twitch is also working on their vertical live feature, then you might want some overlays. So I spent my time creating this overlay from scratch and explaining every single step until I realized you guys probably don't care, you just want the overlay. So check out the link in the description, I will make it available for free. And now I'm just gonna show you how to apply it and how to make it work. In TikTok Live Studio, what I'm gonna do is add a brand new scene. And I'm gonna select the first template, which is screen plus camera. I'll click add, and it will look like this. If I go check my sources, I can set the camera so it picks the right one, like that. Click apply, and here I am. And I can also select the game capture, click on the cogwheel, and select the right game. Right now I have this game playing. So adding the overlay is as simple as adding an image source, because that's what it is, just an image. So let's click add source, go to image, click add, select the file, find the file, and click add source again. Now it's gonna look small for some reason, I don't understand it. What you can do is right click, full screen, and fit to screen. Boom. Now it's on top of everything and you might need to go and adjust it. In order to make sure that you don't touch the overlay anymore, you can lock it over there, boom. So now I can go ahead and select my camera, bring it down just a little bit, okay? Select my follower goal, and adjust it so that it fits just like that. And of course, the follower goal can become a gift goal. Bring that up, bring that down, just like that. And I can also use the arrows on my keyboard to adjust everything, okay? I can click on the cogwheel next to it in my layers list and turn it into a gift goal by clicking here and apply. Just like that, it became a gift goal. So as it fills up, it's gonna get blue and it's gonna match the rest of the overlay, okay? Then for my gameplay, I just want to make sure that everything is visible. So what I can do is actually bring it down just a little bit. So scale it down, I meant, like that, and scale that down. And if you feel like the overlay, for example, there's a big diagonal line here. If you feel like the overlay is hiding too much information, important information on the gameplay, what you can do is just drag and drop it on top of the image. That way, the whole gameplay is visible right now, and as you can see, it's not that huge of a difference. Of course, the game that I'm playing is specific. It just looks like that, so it matches the overlay a little bit. But if you have a different game where you need like your health bar to be visible and things like that, I can understand you want it to be fully visible. So yeah, just put it on top of the image and you're ready to go. That's all you have to do. You have an alert box that is right there and it's kind of transparent right now, but it's gonna be like, it basically not gonna be visible until there's an alert. So that's fine. But if you want, you can also move it, place it somewhere else, place it in the middle, place it on the gameplay or something like that, okay? If you're gonna place it on the gameplay, you wanna make sure that it is on top of it. There you go. That's more like it. And it's that simple. If you're using OBS Studio, just add an image source and that's it. And then move your layers the exact same way, just put them behind or on top. You got it. As I said, link will be in the description. It's just one image. But if you're looking for way more overlays, I actually have a free pack that you can find on gumroad.com/gallevel. Link will be in the description. And this one has a whole lot of them. You can see the example here. This is what it basically looks like. I've done it a while ago, and there's 14 PNG overlays in there. That being said, if you have a little bit of image editing skills, you can go to photopea.com, go to templates, go to the search bar up top and type my name, Gal Level, and there should be at least one TikTok overlay here. I believe I made one. There it is, TikTok Live Gaming Overlay, no camera. And if you click on it and click on it again, the difference with this one is that you can actually customize it. For example, your name, you can put your name, right? Completely customize every single part. You can add your socials. As you can see on the right here, I'm gonna have social panels in there. Double click on the T to type whatever text you want. And if you want to change the color, you can go at the bottom and add an adjustment layer, hue and saturation, and just play with the hue. Make it whatever color you want. And once you're done, go to File, Export as PNG, Save, and you'll have it. Boom. Now you can bring it into OBS or TikTok Live Studio and use it here. Also, if you want to see videos on how to create them from scratch, I believe I have some more on my channel, so you can check those out. But yeah. I made multiple videos on how to do vertical, how to use and how to do vertical overlays, how to make vertical overlays, and how to use them. So you should be fine. Look at that. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.